Welcome to day 5 of our 30-day meditation challenge. Today we'll be practicing noticing the wandering mind. I invite you to find a posture that's both comfortable and supportive, that allows you to remain both alert but also relaxed. So you could be seated either in a chair or on the floor, cross-legged. You could also be lying down, or you could be standing with your back supported against a wall. And if you find it supportive for your practice to go inward by closing your eyes, I invite you to do so. Or you can also just keep the eyes a quarter of the way open, gazing down towards the floor. And allowing your body to really arrive here in stillness. One of the ways that we can allow our nervous system to settle is by being mindful of the breath as it comes into and out of the body. So aligning our mind and body by following this next breath in through the nostrils and out through the nostrils. Today we'll explore something that happens in every meditation: the wandering mind. Many people mistakenly think that meditation is about stopping our thoughts. But thoughts really aren't a problem. Thinking is something that the mind naturally does. So this practice is really about noticing when the attention has wandered, when we've become distracted, when attention on this present moment has waned. So we can allow the anchor of our attention to be the breath. So every time that we notice that the mind has wandered off into thoughts about the past or the future, or it's judging or fixing or planning, instead, just bring the mind to notice this next arising breath. This is breathing in, and this is breathing out. Really feeling the texture, the fullness, the depth of the breath. And letting attention rest there as long as you can. Again, knowing the mind will wander. And when we notice that, it's important to not beat ourselves up. It's completely normal for this experience of mind wandering to occur. But we're training in returning to this present moment, mind resting right here in the experience of the body breathing right now. So coming back again and again, let's together rest now with these sensations of the breath. There's nothing to do and nothing to figure out, nothing that we need to think about and contemplate now. Simply finding rest in this simple act of noticing the next inhalation and exhalation again and again. Thank you for practicing with me on day 5 of our meditation challenge, and I do hope you'll join me again tomorrow. Namaste.